Hello folks, we're going to have a look at factorisation. Way back in National 4 or Level 4, when we came across something like that, we noticed that 4 was a common factor. 4 goes into both 4 and 8, so we took out the common factor like this and made it 4 brackets x plus 2. So that's what we were doing when we were doing National 4. Now, when we're doing National 5 work, we've learnt that an expression like this can be factorised into 2 brackets. Now, we need to end up with a 6, so we need factors of 6, but they need to add to make 5. So 1 and 6, now it's going to have to be 2 and 3. So that is x plus 2 times x plus 3. And that's the kind of factorisation that we learnt in National 5. What I would like to show you today, what we're going to learn about, are examples that involve both kinds. First, you do what you did at National 4 by noticing a number that goes into all the numbers in the expression, so you take out a common factor. Then once you've done that, you look at the bracket and you factorise that into 2 brackets in the way that we've learnt in National 5. So let's have a look at an example here. So this example here, if we have a look at it, 4, 20 and 24, they're all in the 4 times table. So we can take out a common factor of 4. So 4 into x squared plus 5x plus 6. So that's, if you like, that's us done the National 4 bit, taking out the common factor. But then if we have a look at this bracket here, we can do the National 5 bit of splitting that bracket into 2, of factorising it. And it's the one we used above, so it's 4 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. Okay, whoops. So that's us done the National 5 part. First we took out the common factor, then once we'd taken out the common factor, we split the bracket into 2, or we factorised it. Let's have a look at another example here. We've got 7x minus 28. So, both of these are in the 7 times table, so we can take out a common factor of 7. And we've got 7x squared minus 4. But then if we look at that bracket, that's our difference of squares. So we learned in National 5 that we can factorise that to x plus 2, x minus 2. And there we are. 7x squared minus 28 has been factorised into 7 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. And you can see we've got a last example there. And the way we factorise that is we can take out a common factor of 5 first. So it's 5 into x squared plus x minus 20. That's the National 4 bit done. The National 5 bit is that we can actually factorise that as well. So it's 5. Now, we need numbers that make minus 20, and when we add them together we have to make plus 1. So one of the numbers has got to be one bigger than the other. So we would use x minus 4, x plus 5. Because of course minus 4 times 5 makes minus 20, and minus 4 plus 5 gives us the plus 1 in the middle. So there we are, 2 stages to the factorising now in these examples today. Take out the common factor first, then factorise what you're left with. Thank you for listening.